Hey, welcome back to Blackryu Fitness. Today I'll be giving you guys a comprehensive guide on the weight gain diet for beginners. Are you struggling to put on weight and build muscle? Do you find it hard to understand what to eat and how much to eat to achieve your goals? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people face the same challenges when trying to gain weight and develop a toned, muscular physique. Today, we'll be taking a deep dive into the world of weight gain diets designed specifically for beginners. Together, we'll explore the essential components of a successful weight gain diet and help you create a personalized plan to achieve your desired results. As we begin, it's crucial to understand that no two individuals are the same when it comes to gaining weight. Factors like your age, sex, body composition, and activity level can all impact how your body responds to different diets and exercise routines. However, there are some fundamental principles that apply to everyone when it comes to gaining weight in a healthy and sustainable manner. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of designing a weight gain diet that suits your unique needs and preferences, while also providing practical tips and advice to make your journey a successful one. Let's begin. First step in designing your weight gain diet is to determine your daily calorie needs. To gain weight, you'll need to consume more calories than your body burns throughout the day. This is known as a calorie surplus. We'll start by calculating your basal metabolic rate, or BMR, which is the number of calories your body requires to maintain its current weight at rest. Next, we'll factor in your activity level to determine your total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE. Once we have this figure, we'll add a surplus of around 300 to 500 calories per day to promote weight gain and muscle growth. Now that we have your calorie target, it's time to discuss the three macronutrients that make up your diet: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. To promote muscle growth and support recovery, aim to consume around 1.2 to 1.5 grams of protein per pound of body weight each day. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for your body, so include a mix of complex and simple carbs to fuel your workouts and daily activities. Aim for 45 to 65% of your total daily calories to come from carbohydrates. As for fats, focus on consuming healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Aim for 20 to 35% of your daily calories to come from fats. So you need to create a diet plan that prioritizes nutrient-dense, high-calorie options such as lean meats, dairy, whole grains, legumes, starchy vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Some examples of weight gain friendly foods include chicken, turkey, salmon, eggs, Greek yogurt, brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, bananas, almonds, peanut butter, and avocados. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to support healthy weight gain and muscle growth. Next, let's discuss meal frequency and portion sizes. Eating 5 to 6 smaller meals throughout the day can help ensure a steady supply of nutrients to your body and promote better digestion. Make sure each meal contains a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and fats. To make things easier, consider preparing your meals in advance and using a food scale to measure your portions accurately. Lastly, don't forget the importance of hydration. Drinking adequate water throughout the day can help with digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall energy levels. Aim for at least 8 cups of water per day, and consider adding electrolyte-rich sports drinks during intense workouts to replenish lost fluids and electrolytes. Embarking on your weight gain journey may seem challenging at first, but with the right knowledge, planning, and dedication, you can achieve your desired results. Remember, listen to your body, make adjustments as needed, and never hesitate to seek guidance from professionals. Gaining weight and building muscle is a process that requires patience, so stay committed to your goals and trust the process. If you found this guide on weight gain diet for beginners helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer. Last but not the least, be sure to subscribe to the channel as well so that you can continue watching such insightful videos regularly. I'll see you in the next one.